Every day in the morning, get up, grab my lighter, it's time to puff up. It don't matter the bong or the pipe, either way she'll still get me high. That's the way I start my day. Hit the kush and get all blazed. Hold the smoke, don't let it go. Exhale when it burns your throat. Relax, let the high take over. Always blown and never sober. Taking hits straight to the brain. I'm in love with Mary Jane, cause she makes me feel so good. Hit it right just like I should, in the morning or the evening. Come on Mary, cause I'm fiending. You're the one my doctor suggested when I'm tripping or I'm stressing. Either way, fool, she's the one. On the job, she got me sprung. I don't think I'll live without her. Even smells better than flowers, but this girl is known to read. Some fools call her just to sleep. Late at night when I wake up, spark my blunt and take a puff. That's the way I'll pass back out. Watch me blow a fat ass cloud. Ain't no one can smoke like me. Who said money don't grow on trees? You're a lame for thinking like that. You see a bush, but I'm seeing cash.
I love to smoke my weed, I love to smoke the bomb. I grab another cushion, pack it in my glass bomb. I take a hit so strong, inhale the smoke so long. I love to smoke it up, I love to smoke it up. I love to smoke my weed, I love to smoke the bomb. I grab another cushion, pack it in my glass bomb. I take a hit so strong, inhale the smoke so long. I love to smoke it up, I like to take a puff.
I prefer to smoke on weed. Fuck it, a boss, that's not for me. You got hash, I'll bring the skillet. That's a pure hit, I know you'll feel it. All them drinks, they don't do shit. I'd rather take a fucking hit off a leño or a joint. Food, don't ask, I made my point. Told your ass a couple times, don't ask why I'm always high. That's the way I always am. Don't believe me, ask my friends. Half of them get high with me. Met her once and made me fiend. Back then in my early teens. Ever since then I don't have any dreams, cause I have my brain cells fried thanks to the club.